Hi, my name is Satish Chandrawale. I'm the resident of Santa Clara City. We do this Festival of Globe event from past 33 years. It's a two-day event, extravaganza, and we tend to have lot of celebrities. You have politicians. Everybody join the parade. Parade is one of the highlight. We have like 95 different kind of floats. We have even the walking parades and other things, and we feel amazing to have the presence of not only Indians but non-Indians as part of celebration. This is a vibrant celebration of India Independence Day. Usually we got independence on August 15, 1947. So this is 79th celebration of India Independence Day. And the parade is one of the biggest parade in the US. We do have in New York City, and we do have in the Fremont also. This is going on for 33 years. And thank you so much. As part of this particular parade, we have like 150 to 200 booths. We have like a healthcare. We have lot of other kinds of events, like we have non-profit organizations come in, and they tend to come in and educate the people over here who come to the event. And lot of mela, you have Indian dresses and other things also as part of this particular mela. And glad to be part of it. And I'm a co-founder of Americans for Hindus. It is also part of the Festival of Globe branch. And glad to be here, and thank you Ding TV for covering up, and I'm grateful to you. We have total 15 to 20,000, and at a time we used to have 100K people coming into this parade. And the highlight of this particular event for this particular day is you have two Hollywood stars also who joined us, and there's a one Bollywood star also joined us. And other than that, we have deputy consulate generals for a couple of India and Israel countries, and other dignitaries also. Thank you so much. The Festival of Globe is actually founded by Dr. Ramesh Japra. He's a famous cardiologist. He did find Americans for Hindus, a political action committee. We are glad that he is our mentor and inspiration for us. He has been long-time resident of Bay Area from past 45 years, and he was the first person to even construct a Hindu temple in USA, and we are proud of him, and he is one of the greatest personalities what USA has. Thank you so much.
So this is from Maharashtra. Usually this is played in Maharashtra. This is called Dhol Tasha Patak. We do practice at CSU East Bay, California in Hayward every Saturday, Sunday. So this is our first ever performance that we did for fog. We have folks who are from 18 years and above until like 55 as well. People are very enthusiastic about this, coming together. This brings sense of community. Though this is come from Maharashtra, though we have a good representation all over pan India, and also we are trying to onboard folks from here too. So
thank you.
happy.
Thank you. Wonderful.